Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the exact codebase and tools so you can act immediately. Open Android Studio and import the project. Once loaded, sync Gradle and resolve dependency errors. Check Compile SDK and Target SDK to match your device. Make sure you have a working emulator or a connected device with USB debugging enabled. Next, enable debug signing and inspect build variants so you can build a baseline APK before making changes. You now modify the feature. Locate the activity, fragment, or module and make small, focused changes. Update layouts, strings, and resource qualifiers as needed. Refactor variable names and keep method scope minimal for clarity. Run unit tests locally and launch instrumentation tests on the emulator. Once done, use logcat and breakpoints to trace runtime behavior. If a test fails, step through the stack and fix the root cause, then rerun the affected test suite. You finish by building a debug APK or app bundle and deploying it to your test device. Make sure install succeeds and the feature behaves as expected. Profile CPU and memory if performance is a concern, and verify runtime permissions and secure storage usage. Before merging, run a clean build and lint. Commit changes with a descriptive message and push a branch. If things go wrong, consult logcat for uncaught exceptions and the exact stack trace to guide a targeted fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.